Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cabinet table saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SawStop IC5123052 cabinet table saw. Coming in the first position is the SawStop IC5123052, a powerful cabinet table saw designed to make your cutting tasks easy and professional. Rocking a 3 HP motor and a 52-inch T-glide fence, this table saw is a great option for making both straight and angle cuts. The most notable thing about the cabinet table saw is its safety. SawStop wanted to craft a highly secure rig that carpenters could rely on for top results without ripping their arms. Some of the security features of the saw include a fail-safe system for preventing accidents that can result in loss of time, wages, or limbs. Another safety feature is the professional-grade T-glide fence that allows you to work without worrying about slipping or rolling. Moving on. At number 4, we have the ShopFox W1819 cabinet table saw. This ShopFox W1819 is another excellent choice for hobbyists and carpenters who have a more expansive budget. It is a 10-inch table saw designed for making smooth and clean cuts without kickbacks. Like our first choice, this cabinet table saw is also very secure. When we tested the table saw's features, it delivered beyond our expectations. The cabinet table saw is designed with a strong riving knife and splitter that helps to keep the cut sections and workpiece separate. The effect is smooth cuts with no risk of kickbacks. Furthermore, the system features a 4-inch dust collection slot that evacuates most of the dust so that it does not contaminate the workpiece or clog the moving parts. At number 3, we have the Delta 36L552 cabinet table saw. For carpenters who work on projects such as kitchen cabinets and handmade boats that require high-precision cuts, this Delta 36L552 is one of the best saws that can get the job done. Designed with a single cast trunnion system, the cabinet table saw operates with minimal vibrations, allowing you to easily make smooth cuts on your workpiece. The table saw comes with a carefully machined bevel dial so that you can easily make accurate repeat cuts. Additionally, the base of the table saw is made of cast iron, which makes it heavy and stable even when cutting tough and thick workpieces. We also like the cabinet table saw dual front cranks feature, which allows you to promptly adjust the height of the blade without incurring significant downtime. Finally, it comes with a large and easy-to-access on/off switch so that you can easily access it from any angle. At number 2, we have the Jet 708-675 PK XACTASAW cabinet table saw. When you mention the name Jet to carpenters, most of them will give it thumbs up because of an unmatched commitment to quality and customer value. This unwavering commitment to quality is evident in this Jet 708-675 PKXACTASAW cabinet table saw, which has become very popular in most workshops. The table saw's working area and trunnion are made using cast iron that makes it heavy, stable, and vibration-free when cutting wood. Besides, it has a large 29x4 2-inch working space that allows plenty of room for maneuvering big workpieces. When working with table saws, Jet engineers knew that you need to be able to make adjustments fast. Therefore, they designed the table saw with easy-to-use handwheel control for adjusting the blade height and the bevel. Once you select the preferred cutting height, use the center locking pins to fix it there for repetitive cuts. And finally, at number 1, we have the SawStop IC5123052 cabinet table saw. This SawStop IC5123052 is another cabinet table saw whose popularity has been growing steadily among carpenters. It is an industrial-grade cabinet saw designed for the most demanding task. So if you have a commercial facility with a lot of cutting tasks, this is your cabinet table saw. The most notable thing about this saw is its security features. It has a lockout-tagout system that cuts off the power, reducing the risk of accidents, but it is the auto-detect and stop system that is more enthralling. So here is how it works. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.